my brothers and sisters. Today is a Sunday afternoon. I'll come and see you again to read in Bible. Hello, you did the good about the deal, no? Teninya ubuni halako. Do ye he do tilo taratu ditu kapatu isosinelo. Today I want to read for you about the Bible. Matthew chapter 7 verse 15. Teninya ye do hepat ko lisosi bakala mate asero nui asapo tesiani long. Katuda ro bwa la manutimile pakle kwa pay simple. Matthew chapter 7 verse 15. Watch out for prophets. They come to use in sheep clothing, but inwardly they are ferocious wolf. Today, teninya pagitete mala pepad ko lisosi bakala limate asedo nui asepo tesi ye ne deba padile polo tutala we ablala hesu tu o tu do tu okutu do la apune tui mila adu tapane ki away ni takwirala limate akupu meverala yesu atakato nilo no pero le kwa bakala lisosi. Okay, right now we have to follow religious Bible verse. Away ni pakle kwa la pagden mala Deuteronomy chapter 13 verse 3. Deuteronomy chapter 13 verse 3. Yamose serves the super support 30 debapade. This said, you must not listen to the words of the prophets or dreamer. The Lord your God is testing you to find out whether you love him with all your heart and with all your soul. We should think about this mean. The God testing you. You love your God with all your heart, with all your soul. I want to go forward a little bit in the Quran language. Yamose asado tasito asapo thani dogana agalu degi agidi ywa tigasa makwa tu methi e ywa tigasa lo tu ki ta le la tu ta dopla nya ne di tu akathinya lo The God want to know you love God exactly or not. You love God with all your heart or with all your soul or not. The God want to know. Only just the God testing you. Don't believe everything. Every prophet and the dreamer. Sometimes dreamer is, the people dream just like in the King Solomon dream. In the dream, the God spoken to him. Another dreamer is the Joseph's dream. But the dreams come true. Someone dream is not come true. The falsely dream. Okay. You should think carefully in your way. Think about sukumo. Lord tilo sele tuita mo pulo. Bamnu kule. No, bamnu kule. No. Because sukumudala patamupu, we should think about carefully. No? We should think about carefully there. A lot of false prophets in the world. They know so many things. Okay? They can tell you the truth sometime. It's not for every time. Here's in the following the verse I want to read for you. Jeremiah chapter 26 verse 16. Jeremiah chapter 26 verse 16 talk about hi Kayanum hi Milasa hi. Jeremiah chapter 26 verse 16. Okay, I want to read for you about this thing. Then the officers and all the prophets said to the priests and the prophets, this man should not be sentenced to death. He has spoken to us in the name of the Lord our God. Okay, our God. Keep doing what you're doing. Yes, the right thing we should do. Okay, we should do. I should do. I believe something important I should do. This is the people come and speak out the God's name, the God sent him. All right. This meaning is that Jeremiah threatened with death. Jeremiah threatened with death. It means you're talking the truth. Someone threatened you. You don't need to be scary, right? You don't need to be scary. You should think about carefully in your lives, yours and God. Paini, we're me a sarukisu who a sapo, no, the sihuni deba padile. Do pado pado the pado pamukel, seba palutado. Do we the pa. Pwadaga yi the craba ta senior tiba, a giddy catutado poile, Pacasa amino. You should think about, he talk about the gods. Okay. Yes, I'm doing good, my friends. I'm doing good. Okay. Don't worry about this. I'm okay. How about you guys? You got it okay? I hear about in the world something problems happening come out. So many problems. I'm sorry about this. We want to all people in the nation know the God, and then they're doing the truth. They're doing the right, telling the truth, and then all people should be good heart, the same like Jesus. Be patient. Okay, I had to keep and then reading for you guys here. Romans chapter 16 verse 17 talk about. Romans chapter 16 verse 17 talk about. I urge you, brothers, to watch out for those who come, who cause division and put obstacle in your way that are contraries to the teaching you have learned. Keep away from them. You should keep away from them. No? This is Roman. The Apostle Paul talking to the Roman people. When he made so Paul could do dollar paromi put it paro. Little Messer Siku support Sinuni Teradile. Double the Yakikanya 3D to not Poiler Amatalo Mulopa. We should remember. Okay, we should remember. No? When it curse division, ama lomu lopata curse division. Do pata law akama alo thoda tatuta thodo. Lo tuma lo oni do hase orgi. Tuma lo oni hase orgi. No? You should run away from them. Okay. Let them look at our pakropatu pathala tatir pile petamulo. Okay. Pero paklequalo Ephesians. No? Ephesians chapter 5 verse 6 in David Ephesians chapter no? Chapter 5 verse 6 talk about I go let none deceive you with us wrath come on those who are disobedient. Who are disobedient. You should think about it. Okay, let no one deceive you. A lot of people deceiving easily. Okay, someone telling that right here, Jesus talk about, okay, over there is Jesus, right here is Jesus. Come and look it. This is a wrong, not the right way. Jesus talking in the Bible already. We should know about that. Okay. Let no one deceive you. Okay. Okay, I want to keep going to reading about. Here is that. Colossians chapter 2 verse 8 talk about. Verse 2, look at here. See to it that no one takes your captive through hollows and deceptive philosophy, which depend on human tradition and the business principle of this world, rather than on Christ. We should think about this thing. Colossians. When it Colossians a sado key a sapokoni, Katutara palo munitimi. Katutara palo munitimi. Colossians a sado key a sapoko. Dido patu to uwe te gala akasukwi tutala ta edu ta tinyano ta no do ta lo ta klo di pakanyo sisu te suta di hoku amopatu do temeba di creto ni tegido palo tutarki arkipa katura lo hoku ogi no temile cre katura atuba. Okay, let us look at pakropatu patala patamu pulo. This is the principle of the word rather than on Christ. Not the miller, but derma hoko atulmema, kabamile creek atumano. Let us look at pakropatu patala patamu pusikoro. 2 Peter chapter 2, the verse 1 talk about. Here's I read for you. But there were also false prophets among the people. Yeah. Just as there will be false teachers among you. They will secretly introduce distracted heresies, even denying the sovereign Lord who brought them, bringing swift destruction on themselves. Let them look at our pakropatu patala tagi kai sikolo patamopulo. We know There were also false prophets. Pretend a penisico, paysico, no? Pretend we a blotted among the people. No, pretend a wake cook and a pagomukla. Just as there will be false teachers among you. False teachers among you, sit down. No, pretend tara the mother akamati tulura. No, I want to pretend no. Throughout the mala, pretend no, qua equa twitter. Akama, throughout the mala akamati about equa twitter. No, a worthy, no, pretend a worthy mara takutu. Pain is 2 Peter chapter 2, no, verse 1. Pain keep it through a saddle key a sapo. Tony, Jeva Polo, Munutini, Pekle Coca Petisable Pagno, no? Basado, we are black autosicolo, Pogom Akla, Di Trabla, Usico, Welle, Thukla Atonilo. A wedding Kadunu Kututa, Su Talokuba, Bakarota Hago, Dokam Kat the Mercury, Casala Apikio. Dog to Lota Hawalo and Luda where clear the deal. I want to meet Trat the Mother, no? Trat the Ma, no, we did a part, le at the river, I blooded the part, no, but did a man. Then a good out of a crop at the Patale, Patamo Pusicolo, no? We should think about it, okay? We should think about it, no? I waited upon it toward our Kasayo, no? Pain in 1 John chapter 4 verse 1 talk about, no? Penny tell you how certain Louis a saboteur David. Dear friends, no? Taetabo tithio, taetitiko tithio. Do not believe every spirit, no? Netabalo na weda thakulava. But test the spirits to see, no? Magwa, thatted parrot, tio, no? Tio. Whether they are from gods, no? Mimi, where the pani, hello, kasayua. Because many false prophets has come to the pani, no? Hello, haku klolo, no? Me wow. Little you are so Louis, a saputoni, Tebradile, Polata e otiu. No, not Toro Tanidi, Quera Pemano. Mimi, me a bacaro joa, the bacaleni, Maquata paniki, no, a baca, the baca magua. Again, we a blood let little hawk club agali, no, false prophets, no. I went in the Torasu, Hokukle, Agalo, no, many false prophets. No, I wanted to have false prophets. But Jedamala, now we a black aga. Now we a black aga let Tora have gone out into the world. No, I wanted to think, ha Tora, no, ha Tora. Len with us to Hakuklo. Let them go up a crop to Patala, but Tankailo, no? Okay, Mimi didn't or Pacro Patu Patala, but Punilo. We should think about carefully, my friends, my brother and sister. Don't listen every prophet, don't listen every law in the world. Only just God spoken. Love your neighbor, love yourself. No? Test the spirit. Tap the spirit. Magwa ta titapa. No? Ta titapa. No? Pagdena me, we did pala aba, we did pala at the bani, sukamu petinapa. Okay. The prophets come from gods or prophets come from people. you should think about carefully. Okay, believe, but think about carefully. I want to think about Sukamon Lotila say, okay, thank you so much, my friends, my brother and sister. Okay, thank you so much. Today you will get something from the Bible, not from me, because the Bible written 2,000 years ago. Right now, about the 2026 into 26. Thank you so much for all. God bless you all. God bless your family. God bless your friends and your relatives. May God bless you all. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.